So that came together really fast.
Almost too fast.
Yeah, I'm not going to try and pronounce the Italian, but it's the recipe is essentially called fast shrimp and pasta,
Oh,
and that's what it was.
it was very fast.
It was very fast. So I started out with a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of this pot. And then I put in some hot red pepper flakes. And then I threw in some garlic, again, just to infuse the flavor. Once the garlic was infused, in went some cherry tomatoes, and I left those whole because I knew that they would break down, and I didn't want them to break down completely. I still wanted some chunks of cherry tomato at the end.
Were those from our garden?
Those were from our garden.
Very nice.
Once the cherry tomatoes were heated up a little bit, in went some parsley, and then I threw the shrimp in, and the shrimp starts to cook very quickly. Once the shrimp just started to turn pink, in went some white wine. And this is, I don't know, it's an Italian white wine that we had down in the cellar.
Whatever wine you cook with.
You should drink with it, yeah. And I squeezed in half of a lemon just to up the acidity. I cooked that a little bit to reduce the wine, and then as soon as that sauce was reduced, in went the pasta. And this is fresh pasta that I made this afternoon. Tossed it around, and that's where we end up.
Wine, pasta?
Wine pasta, a little bit of parsley over top. Not beautiful, but fast.
It does look very good though.
We
And
should-
glass wine?
Let's take this to the table.